Imagine holding a device that feels like a flagship in your hand. Meet the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G in awesome navy. With 8 GB of RAM and a generous 256 GB of storage, all for under $400, it brings incredible value to the mid-range market. Released in March 2024, the A35 5G was created to bring the premium Galaxy S experience to more people, and it shows. From the moment you pick it up, its dual Gorilla Glass Victus Plus panels and flat, metal-like frame command attention. At just 209 grams and 8.2 millimeters thin, it's both sturdy and sleek. Plus, with an IP67 rating, it's ready for dust and water, surviving up to 30 minutes submerged in 1 meter. The display is where it truly shines, a stunning 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 120 Hz refresh rate and up to 1,000 nits of brightness via Vision Booster. Whether you're scrolling, gaming, or watching videos in direct sunlight, it always looks amazing. Under the hood, the Exynos 1380 chip and 8 GB of LPDDR5 RAM keep everything running smoothly, from multitasking to gaming. And with 256 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, expandable via microSD, you've got space for everything. Capture every moment with the 50-megapixel main camera featuring optical image stabilization. Add in an 8-megapixel ultra-wide and a 5-megapixel macro lens, and you've got creative options for any scene. Video lovers will enjoy crisp 4K at 30 frames per second and super steady 1080p for smooth, on-the-go footage. All-day power is no problem with a 5,000 mAh battery that lasts up to 2 days on light use.